friends, I am back. I have a couple of makeup favorites. I hardly ever do makeup favorites anymore, but I do have a couple of things that I am really loving. Most of them are on my face today. So I am going to get started. All right, first up, I'm going to talk about the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer. I am wearing it today, and I have to say, I am enjoying it. The trick to it when you are an aging woman is to use it only where you need it and then drag it out. I'll probably do a tutorial or get ready with me soon, and I'll use it and show you how I use this. Next, I just did a video. It was a Nordstrom collaboration video, and I purchased the Nars. This is the Laguna Cream Bronzer. Oh my God, do I love this. I love it. I have no powder on my face anywhere here. Just my T-zone has a little bit of powder, not much. This is all I have on my cheek area. And then I went in with this Nars. This is the Portofino. It's a cream blush. And I just popped it on the high points of my cheek, took a little bit of a brush and just blended them, make sure that they weren't like just on there in zebra stripes. And I am really enjoying the cream products, my friend. Love them. Now that I've said that I love the cream bronzer, I have to tell you that I also love this bronzer from Atelier. This is the number 4. It is Malibu. It is a very nice bronzer. I do not have this one on today, but what's nice about this one, depending on the density of the brush that you use or the looseness of the brush, that will determine how much. If it's very dense, you really can bronze yourself out, and it's very loose, you can just do a dusting. This is beautiful. I really like the Atelier products, so really, really nice. And for lip balms, you all know that I love my FitGlow Beauty Balms, and I wear them all the time. But I did venture out and I tried these balms. These are their hyaluronic HAPPIKISS or something from Charlotte Tilbury. These are very nice. The only thing I do not like about this is that the tube does not wind back. But this is really nice, and I have a couple of colors in them. This one here is, oh, I can't tell. Oh, I don't know what this one is. Okay, I can't read the label as to what it is, and I don't know what happened to my zoom lens. I was not prepared. But this one here is the pinkier of them, so I will put that in the description box and give you the actual name. But here is that one. It is really pretty. It's a pinky coral, really beautiful, and these have some, they pack a punch. They're very, very balmy, but they have a lot of color to them. This one here is more of the peachier peach with no rose to it. And that is that one. So that's the second one right there. You can see it's much peachier than the first one. The first one definitely is rosier. Very, very pretty. And then I just got this one. And this one I think is just a hint of pink. It's the crystal one, I believe. It hardly has any color, just a little bit. You can't hardly even see it right there. I think this one is called the Crystal, and as you can see, it just has a beautiful gloss to it, not much color. Really, really like these. Staying with lipstick, I have this one on today. This is from Dior. 525 is the number. These are the metallic finish. I love them. Just love them. I'll put some more on. I love it. For you, here it is on my hand. It's beautiful. Don't let these little saying metallic scare you, because it's really beautiful. Love them from Christian Dior. I just bought a refill for the Angel Alessandra. Absolutely love it. It's a beautiful peachy coral nude color. Just really, really nice. I'll do this one across the top of my hand. Definitely a peachy undertone. And that one's right there. Really pretty. Love it. And I got the refill in that. It's really nice. It just simply pops in and pops out, and you are done. And it's less expensive that way. So I love that. Also got a new one from Inika. At Christmas time, I had their eyeshadows. The palette was a limited edition. I was so impressed. So this is a lipstick. This is their certified organic lip tint. And this one is in rose. Put this on. Let's put it right here. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Maybe I have to do it over here. It's a very, very light rose. Right there. Beautiful. Has some menthol to it. Really, really a pretty, pretty color. You can see it right there. Gorgeous. Love it. I really, really am impressed with this line. And their mascara. Just tried their mascara. I have this on today. Oh my goodness, I love it. Love it. And it comes with a normal spoolie, my friends. I don't like those rubbery wands. This is really, really nice. They have a lot of mascaras, but I guess this is their #1 rated. And it's the Inika The Mascara. It is really, really a nice mascara. Lip liners that I've been wearing a lot of is the Double Wear, and this is Rose #4 from Estee Lauder. Where can I put this? I'll put it right on my wrist here. It goes well with all of the lipsticks that I'm sharing with you right now. Right there. It's a rosy nude. And I'm also really wearing a lot. This one from LA Girl. It's called Sugar and Spice. They're almost identical. But this one has a little bit more mauve undertone to it. That's it. Really pretty. Love it. These LA Girl pencils are really nice. And then as eye pencils, I have been loving the FitGlow Beauty, and this is Mulberry. I actually have this on my tight line. Let me go ahead and put a strip of this on my hand. Really, really pretty. I also have it in bronze, and they have a pretty silver blue. I actually have that one too, just to play around with. But this is the Mulberry. Really, really pretty. Love it. I tight line with it. It stays. It doesn't irritate my contacts or my eyes. Last but not least, I have to rave about these again. These Refer brushes are so nice, and I do have some favorites. This one here is a #27. It's a great blending brush. Now, I don't have eyeshadow on today. All I have on my eyes today are the Nars bronzer and the blush stick. I have the blush stick all over my lid and the Nars bronzer just up in the crease area. But just to take this brush, just soften any harsh lines, it's really, really a nice brush. Another one that I love because it's a little bit smaller, it's a great crease brush, is the #14 brush. And you can just apply right exactly where you want because it's smaller. And then this right here is their dome brush. It's the #12. I love this for just placing color exactly where you want it without dragging down our aging eyes. Really, really nice. My most favorite brush of theirs is the #1. It is perfect for applying and blending crease colors out. And I also love the #15, another great blending brush. Beautiful brushes, affordable, luxury style brushes. They are more affordable than some of the high-end like Wayne Goss brushes. The Wayne Goss brushes are very nice, but they're just a little too soft. And I think if you're someone who already struggles with your application, that soft brush may aggravate you, and it may also give you a more muddied look because of the way the bristles play on the eye. So that's why I really do love these. They're just a perfect brush. They really are. All right, my friends, so that is it for some of my makeup favorites. I had a couple of new things, and I've used them a couple of times, so I really wanted to share it with you. So let me know down in the comments, what makeup items are you loving? I know with mask wearing, we're really not wearing a lot on our faces, but I do try to put mascara on every single day, do my brows. You know, if we're going out, I will wear a mask that lifts up off my face. So when I take the mask off in the restaurant to eat, you know, I have my face done. I still want to feel good about myself, and that mask wearing is not going to take that away from me. but I am not wearing, like if I have to go to the grocery store, a little bit of mascara and I'm out the door with my mask on, because it's just going to get all over the mask. And, you know, I'm okay with that. I am. All right, my friends, so let me know in the comments some things you've been loving. And on your way out, don't you forget to subscribe. I want you all back here as my ageless beauties. And hit the bell, because that will notify you of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, you go out in the world and be lovable. Very lovable. I love you all. Bisous.